KHD has been supplying the cement industry with pioneering technologies for nearly 160 years. Our machines are designed for high performance.
Köppen is a 100% family-owned company. This is very important to us. No other manufacturer worldwide has sold more roller presses or has more roller presses in operation than Köppen.
Our company manufactures entire plants for the minerals, cement and mining industries. We have known many of our customers for years. They know what they can expect from us, and they expect a great deal.
Reliability is particularly important to our customers. Every minute of production time means money.
Whether in the deserts of Saudi Arabia or in the Siberian winter, our systems have to function reliably under any climatic conditions. Reliable gear units should take up as little space as possible to ensure that there's enough space for servicing and other work on the roller presses.
Low weight is important for the connection to our own components. This means that it is of the greatest importance to us that the entire gear unit series offers uniform size gradation.
Köppen is distinguished for the extremely wide range of machine sizes they are able to cover. This is why we expect our gear unit suppliers to cover a wide torque range.
Power is another important criterion, as today's systems are usually operated to the limit of their capacity. We have systems with up to 5 megawatts of installed power. The gear units need to be able to withstand such enormous forces.
Today, in particular, it is essential that gear units with an extremely high power capacity are able to reliably satisfy this requirement over a period of decades. That is what we expect from a high-quality premium gear unit.
Köppen stands for quality. We rely solely on premium drive solutions.
Premium certainly means high quality. Premium means longevity. Premium also means that the customer can afford a product. That too is premium.
If quality has to be paid for, it has to pay for itself. Our product must offer excellent value for money. Right at the quotation stage, many of our customers specifically ask for Flender gear units.